Brush your teeth, keep them nice and clean. Morning, night, and every day, let them shine and gleam. Hello, my awesome friends in America and all over the world. Ready for a fun story? Let's dive in. One sunny morning, Daddy Shark called out, "Baby Shark, guess what? It's checkup day. We are visiting Dr. Octopus." Baby Shark blinked. Dr. Octopus? The one with all the arms? Is he nice? Daddy Shark laughed. He's the best, and he might have a surprise waiting for you. That got Baby Shark super excited. "Let's go now, Daddy." When they arrived, Dr. Octopus greeted them with his wiggly arms and a cheerful laugh. "Hello, Baby Shark. Do you know today is Treasure Toothbrush Day?" Treasure Toothbrush Day! Wow! Baby Shark was so excited. "What is that?" Dr. Octopus said. "I'll show you. First, let's practice brushing. Grab this toothbrush and brush in circle. Don't forget to hum a song while you brush. It makes it fun." Baby Shark hummed his favorite tone. Dr. Octopus nodded. "Perfect! Now here's a surprise. Because you brushed so well, you get a special treasure toothbrush." He handed Baby Shark a sparkling golden toothbrush. Baby Shark said, "Wow, it's so shiny." On the way home, Baby Shark bumped into Turtle. He looked sad. "Oh, what's wrong, Turtle?" said Baby Shark. Turtle said, "Oh, I broke my toothbrush, and now I can't brush my teeth." Baby Shark's eyes light up. "Wait, Dr. Octopus gave me a treasure toothbrush. Oh, but I can't share it with you. It's personal." Turtle's smile grew as big as the ocean. "Oh, that's okay, Baby Shark." Back at home, Mommy Shark had another surprise waiting. "Baby Shark, guess what? I made you a toothbrushing chart, so you can track every time you brush." Baby Shark was so happy. He said, "This is the best day ever." A few days later, Baby Shark visited Dr. Octopus again. "Let's see those shiny teeth, Baby Shark," said the doctor. Baby Shark gasped. "Woohoo! My teeth are so shiny! I look like a movie star." Dr. Octopus winked. "That's because you've been a toothbrushing superstar." Wow, kids! I love this story. What do you think?
Kids, if you like this video, I'll draw the biggest, coolest rainbow, ever. So hurry up.
Remember, kids, just like Baby Shark, you can keep your teeth shiny and healthy by brushing every day. Now, let's move on to our drawing. Woohoo! What do we have here? We've got Baby Shark and Dr. Octopus. Our Baby Shark looks super happy.
Purple and green and blue by the sea, drawing the shark.
Dr. Octopus has got two circles as his eyes. He's got a big head and eyebrows. He also has a beautiful smile. Kids, Dr. Octopus is super kind and has lots of arms. Let's draw them. Because Dr. Octopus is an octopus. You know that, right? We use our curvy lines for Dr. Octopus's arm. Yes, all curvy, like a little worm. Dr. Octopus is teaching Baby Shark how to brush his teeth. So, his sharp, shiny teeth stay healthy forever. You should always brush your teeth.
A place full of fun both day.
Let's draw a toothbrush. Yes, Dr. Octopus has got a toothbrush. Wow, I love our drawing.
How to keep our teeth in line. Dr. Octopus smiles and he's here to say, brushing your teeth keeps bad germs away. Brush every day, don't miss a spot. Keep them clean and strong like they ought. But Uncle Shark says it's time to stop play. Let's grab your brush, don't delay. Happy tooth appears all shiny and clean. It's a sign of health that can be seen. Do-do-do-do-do. Baby Shark holds the brush up high. He's ready to try. Oh my, do-do-do. Do-do-do. Brushing is fun and keeps teeth strong. It's the way to smile all day long. Do-do-do-do-do. Up and down and round, make sure no germs can stick around. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Mommy Shark says take your time, brush every corner to make them shine. With a smile so big and brush in hand, Baby Shark knows this is the plan. To the sink he goes with a cheerful hop, ready to brush, he'll never stop.
Ta-da! We are done with drawing. Now let's darken the eyes and trace over the main lines to make them bold.
Delight, move around with brushes in hand. Together we're the clean teeth band. Healthy teeth shine, they're strong.
Kids, do you brush your teeth every day? Excellent job! Very good! I'm so proud of you!
A colorful delight, a place full of fun both day and night. Daddy Shark is here, it's time to prepare.
It's time to color! Yoo-hoo! Let's go! First, we'll color Baby Shark yellow. Yes, yellow it is.
Here to say, brushing your teeth keeps bad germs away. Brush every day, don't miss a spot. Keep them clean and strong like they ought. But Uncle Shark says it's time to stop play. Let's grab your brush, don't delay. Happy tooth appears all shiny and clean. It's a sign of health that can be seen. Do-do-do-do-do. Baby Shark holds the brush up high. He's ready to try. Oh my, do-do-do. Do-do-do. Brushing is fun.
Well done! See, drawing and coloring are super fun. Now let's use red for his tongue. Yes, right here, look.
Do-do-do. Mommy Shark says, take your time, brush every corner to make them shine.
Now it's Dr. Octopus's turn. Our kind doctor. We'll use purple for him. Here we go.
You'll never stop. Bubbles and foam, it's a brushing spree.
We are coloring his wiggly arms.
The baby shark smiles, his teeth so bright.
Kids, you are doing better than you think. Just keep adding your own special touch. Don't worry, you are amazing. It doesn't have to be perfect. The important thing is we are having fun. That's all. Let's color Dr. Octopus's cheeks. Yes, look at them. Let's use our pink color. Kids, you can color the toothbrush any color you like, but I'm going to use green. Do you know why? Because green is the color of the health. Yes. What color are you using for your toothbrush? Fun part is here. Let's add some bubble. Now for the final step, let's add a little shading. It makes our drawing pop out.
Kids, if you like this video, I'll draw the biggest, coolest rainbow, ever. So hurry up.
Perfect! We did it! For more fun drawings, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Love you all!